Rivian is not just about hitting the roads, it's about turning historical landmarks into community hubs that breathe life back into the past. This week, Rivian proudly unveils its first flagship space at the beautifully restored South Coast Theater in Laguna Beach. But this isn't your average pit stop. It's a celebration of history, community, and of course, Rivian's electrifying vision. Now, before we dive into the cinematic magic of the South Coast Theater, let's rewind. Rivian's been putting down roots from the bustling streets of New York to the cool vibes of Vancouver. But it's not just about any old building. Rivian carefully selects warm, inviting spaces to foster communities, making every stop a homecoming. Imagine a theater that's been a local icon for 80 years, shut down in 2015. Well, Rivian stepped in not just to revive it, but to breathe new life into the historic auditorium. They've painstakingly restored the South Coast Theater, preserving its iconic past and iconic murals by artist Edgar Payne. And Rivian didn't just stop at preservation. They commissioned artist Ariel Lee to create 2 new murals, a love letter to Laguna's landscapes. These paintings aren't just art. They're a bridge between the past, the present, and the future. You can now head to the movies and check out what Rivian vehicles have to offer. And to mark the grand reopening, Rivian showcased a Gear Guard stop-motion film. Now imagine a whimsical journey with a Yeti mascot, handcrafted R1 vehicles, and a cafe scene that's as adorable as it is innovative. Now, this film isn't just about Rivian's security system, it's about adding a peace of mind to every adventure that you take. As Liz Guerrero, Rivian's creative director, puts it, it's pretty special to be a part of restoring something that meant so much to so many people. The goal? Knitting together the past, present, and future while building community in Laguna. Now, if you're ready for the grand reveal, click the link down below to watch the full film and dive into the magic of Rivian's South Coast Theater. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe for more Rivian news, and drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, remember, adventure is always out there.